All right, so Ton is currently leading all cryptos right now, up 30% in the last 24 hours. You got MUSDT, the scam, up 25.9%. And then we got Terra Luna Classic making a little bit of a comeback after years of being pretty much dead. Let's have a look right here. This is the exact plan for Ton. Why is it exactly pumping? What is my plan? Are we going to take it back to the all-time high? What is going on with this resistance? Is this a real breakout or is this a real fake out? Before we have a look at some analysis, let's dive into some news. Toncoin source 30% as Ton meme tokens explode on Telegram. Take over news. If we have a look right here on CoinGecko, we could see that dogs. Okay, so it's a token on Ton, a meme coin. It's currently up 111%. This thing is super low. I mean, the market cap a few hours ago was sitting at $16 million, currently sitting right now at $36 million market cap, up over 2x, 112%, over 2x actually, over 100%. In the last 24 hours. In the last month, I mean, this thing was sitting pretty low. It was, sitting around 15, 14, 13 million dollars. I believe the lows was yeah, maybe 13. I don't think it was anything below that. Yeah, it was $5 million back about a year ago. Actually, no, just in May 2026. This does not make any sense right here. May 3rd. Okay, this is very interesting. It looks like this has been updated, but it looks like a few days ago. Oh, this is March. Okay, in March, not in May, was sitting at a $14 million market cap. It hasn't really been lower than that. The volume has been surging, $235 million in the last 24 hours. That's why Ton is actually exploding. But the big question is this just another buy the rumors, sell the news event? So we could see right here, Ton coin surges by more than 30%, and meme coin across the Ton ecosystem rallied after the founder, Telegram founder Pavel Durov, said his company would become the network driving force. Is this exit liquidity for big players? That's a big question, right? Is this exit liquidity? Because at the end of the day, guys, we are still in a bear market. Crypto is down. So we need to do this, very carefully, and we need to understand, is this a good short opportunity or should we get on the train? So if we have a look right here, obviously dogs, Toncoin, two trending token on top on CoinGecko. Toncoin currently sitting right under a $5 billion market cap, fully diluted 9.34. 24-hour traded volume on Toncoin is a little bit disappointing. I'm not gonna lie. You would think that it would be in the billions. Currently sitting right under $800 million. So about 2-3x what Dogs is doing, and Dogs is what, $36 million market cap. So obviously a lot of the hype, I guess, is currently on Dogs. And can Dogs, pull? I'm not gonna say it's gonna pull a rave or anything like that, but can this be one of those tokens where it just freaking explodes to the moon? $122 million market cap. This would be approximately 3-4x from here, which is pretty interesting. A 4x, 3.5x from here. So obviously, if you're using leverage, you could definitely make a shit ton of money on that. Let's have a look at the shorter time frames, though. On the 1 hour time frame, let's zoom in right here on Ton. What exactly is happening on this? By the way, before I get into that, this is our trade right now, currently up 86% on Dash. For those of you guys who are not in my VIP, I would highly suggest joining the VIP. It's completely free. Ethereum is currently in the negative 0.68%. That is our current position. Dash short currently up 86%. If we have a look right here, I did make a few scalp signals. That was a scalp short on Dash. And then on the VIP right here, I did say to essentially short Ethereum as well. It is completely free. All you have to do is pretty much sign in with BYDFi. If you guys do deposit $5,000, you get a $1,000 bonus, and then you get access to pretty much my free VIP. You don't have to deposit 5,000. You could deposit 1,000, 500, however much you want. And then on the Discord, you would pretty much go to how to unlock VIP, and you will get access to that. But let's have a look right here. We do see a higher high right here. Can this be a bearish divergence right here? Let's have a look and pull the stochastic RSI real quick. Stochastic RSI is showing no, but if we have a look right here at the regular RSI on the 1 hour time frame, we know that every time frame does tell a different story. We could see that it is coming back down. This is kind of like a textbook bearish divergence, which means that usually, I'm not saying it does happen and it will happen, but usually this is a start of a reversal right here. So the bulls are definitely getting weaker, as we can see, and it's only a matter of time. But I would not get into this chart personally. The daily time frame, I mean, this thing yesterday, I believe we saw a nice little bullish engulfing, 22%. Today we're seeing another 10%. I personally would not get into this chart. Not financial advice. If you want to get in, that is up to you. But in my opinion, in this bear market, having a look at a token like Toncoin sitting right under $5 billion, I think it is overvalued in my personal opinion. Of course, anything can happen. Can we go back to $8 billion? Maybe. Can we go back maybe to even the all-time high, 23 billions? I don't think that's possible, especially in this current market situation with the war and everything, interest rate, inflation, everything that's going on. I don't think that it's going to happen. But but that being said, anything again is possible. So that is my quick video. The crypto bubble is looking pretty good. I mean, it is leading. Bitcoin is up 1.2%, nothing too crazy. Cracked $80,000 yesterday, currently traded at 81,220. And then if we have a look right here at Ethereum, we are currently in our Ethereum short right now, currently down 0.39%. We're going to keep that short open, but Ethereum is currently traded at 2,371, nothing too crazy. In my opinion, Ethereum is still in his bear flag, guys. Ethereum is in this bear flag. You guys can see that was a horrible drawing. Sorry, let me redo that again. Horrible drawing again, but you guys get the point. We saw the same bear flag right here, and we know what happened next. Ethereum dropped all the way from 3,400 to as low as 1,700. I believe that was a 50% dump. Yeah, that was a 50% dump exactly. Now, I'm not saying it's going to dump 50%, but you could expect anywhere between 30 to 40%. Maybe grab this liquidity at $1,300 before moving back up and restarting the next bull market. So that is my video on Toncoin. I think Ethereum and Bitcoin are pretty good shorts in my opinion, not financial advice. If you guys, again, want to join the Discord, make sure you guys sign up with BYD5. Make sure you guys essentially DM me and just join the Discord, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.